What's up guys? So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair blue and I'm so nervous right now because I've never dyed my hair blue or any like cooler toned color before, so I'm really nervous. So there's a few steps, really easy steps you're going to take in order to dye your hair. If you guys have never dyed your hair before, this is super simple, temporary color. The color we're going to be using today is Blue 600. So like this is what it says. It's going to be like that dark like indigo color, periwinkle, and I'm like, I want it more blue, like on the, like as blue as it can get without being turquoise, like teal. I don't want any green in it at all. I got this one, and of course I got a second bottle because my hair is so thick. I would recommend getting a second bottle if your hair is thick like mine. Also, I got this color. We're gonna run with this one too. This one is turquoise 650, and it's supposed to look like this. The only difference is this is teal, and this is like blue, the cotton candy blue, and this is like almost green. So I'm a little scared. So the first thing you guys want to do is to wash your hair, have clean hair, and make sure it's completely dry. And since mine's not dried right now, I'm just gonna blow dry it off camera, and then we can start the dyeing process. So my hair's dried, and it's fluffy. This is like my natural hair after I take a shower and I blow dry it. It's really thick, really straight. Poofy. And they give you multiple sets of gloves because I feel like sometimes people might be using different colors and they don't want to mix it. I don't know why they give you like all these gloves, to be honest. I'm going to use this one. Ooh, okay, so this is purple. Why is it purple? All right, before I start mixing, I'm just gonna section my hair off because I just want to make sure it's evenly distributed. Here we go. All right, so this is the color right now. See, there's the blue and then there's the purple, but it's really just, this is the blue and this is the quote purple. So we're just gonna mix it. And now we're just gonna start applying it to the hair. There's no right or wrong way to apply it, I feel like, because it is temporary and it is gonna come out within a couple of washes. So they give you a brush though to put it on, but I just feel like this way you can do it either way. I just do it the way like you apply conditioner. You know, like I just kind of like run it like this a little bit. Just make sure every strand has like some sort of color on it. So I am done with the bottom section. We are only 1/3 down, 2/3 to go. All right, it looks purple. And then we're just gonna do like a middle section. So I'm gonna tie up the top. So we're just gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna part it, bun it, tie it. I'm doing okay on dye. I don't really care about doing the roots. If you guys have roots, don't waste your dye on it. My best advice would be to break apart the hair, because you know how I'm like going like this, but when you break apart the hair, there's like some blonde pieces in there too. Like this guy right here. Let's see that. So right before you're done with the section, like right now I feel like I'm pretty good with this section. I'm just gonna break it up, making sure there's no blonde, and see like there's a whole bunch of blonde right here. Dude, it's getting everywhere. The dye is gone, so we're gonna add some more. But the good news is we only have the top left, and then we gotta just wait 30 minutes for it to dry. I'm gonna add some more of this one, bottle number 2, and then only a little bit of this one. It'll look like this. Our last section. Oh, this looks so weird. It looks like I'm wearing a wig. layer. Okay, now we're just gonna leave it sit for 30 minutes and then we're gonna wash it out, but we're not gonna use shampoo or conditioner. I'm just gonna rinse it out and kind of, you know, squeeze my hair out, but not too much. So it's been 30 minutes and my hair kind of dried. It's like crunchy, but I really like this color. Like I said, I'm not gonna use any shampoo or conditioner. I'm literally just gonna rinse it out, kind of get all the dye out, and make sure there's no residue. Yeah, let's go. And when I say let's go, I mean just me in the shower. Okay, bye. So I just got out of the shower. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Because I'm not. I'm really nervous. I was seeing turquoise in the shower and I am a little worried because I don't want green. I don't want any green in my hair. So let's do this. Ooh. It is a little bit turquoise, but I really like it. Like on camera, it looks more blue than I feel like it is in person. Let me show you guys. So see what a difference it makes with the lighting. So this is like the normal bathroom lighting without my like additional lighting. And so this looks green. So when I was looking at it in the shower, because I didn't have this light on in the shower, it looks turquoise. I was a little worried, but I'm sure with like natural lighting, like sun lighting, I feel like it's gonna look a little bit like this. More on the blue side. So I'm actually really relieved that it's blue. All right, so moving on, I am going to add a little bit of leave-in conditioner and some argan oil in my hair, just so I can, you know, get rid of this because I wasn't allowed to use shampoo or conditioner right now. So it is a little bit dry from the dye. So first thing I'm gonna use is some leave-in detangler. This one just happens to be from Unite. This is 7 seconds detangler, and it's just to get rid of knots, and I kind of use it as a heat protectant too whenever I do straighten my hair. Oh, I really love this color. And my hair feels soft now that I put the conditioner in. It doesn't feel dry or dead. My nails turned blue in the process. Yay! I feel like a mermaid with this hair. Honestly, one of the best colors that I've done. I feel like it's between this one and purple, and I'm literally like living for this color right now. So now I'm gonna put some argan oil in the hair because when I dry it, I want it to like suck up and like lock in that moisture. So when I do straighten my hair and style it later, it's not crunchy and dry and disgusting. So we're gonna use some argan oil. This one is also by Unite. Just a couple of pumps. This. If I'm running low, I'll be like, just use an extra pump, girl. It's fine. Like, just get another one. You need it. You deserve it. So this stuff literally just locks in that moisture. I'd say it lasts like at least 2 to 3 days. My hair gets really dry after even the end of the day. It's just because I've been dyeing it so much, but this stuff probably locks it in for about 2 days. So I feel like that's enough, but I also want more. But I also don't want my hair to be greasy. So I think that's good. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blow dry it and then style and get ready for you guys so you can see what it's like when it's dry. Alrighty, so this is my hair. Kind of dry, it's a little bit damp still, but I just want to show you guys what the color looked like before I start styling it to give you a better idea of like the actual color. And so this is it. I like it, and I like how it's like kind of wavy right now. It makes me feel like a mermaid, like mermaid vibes. I tried pairing it with this like nude color just because I don't want to wear, you know, blue eyeshadow, blue lip, blue shirt. You know, I want to give it the color, the pop. You know, that's like what it's supposed to pop. So yeah, I think bronze looks really. Bronze looks look really good with blue hair. I don't know why. Like I just really like it. I really feel like it just pairs well. Like if I use anything red, it's like it just kills it. I don't know. So I really think that, you know, you can pair with nude, white, or black, something solid and neutral for this look. So. Okay, so this is it straightened. It lost its volume a lot by straightening it, and my hair feels a little bit thinner. Not sure if I'm like feeling it, but yeah, so now I'm probably just gonna beach wave it out and make it look messy again. I really like the way it came out like out of the shower, because then it just dried super messy, beach texture. This I'm not too sure about, but I could do some really cool braids with this. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna play around with her and see where this goes. So, okay, this is after I curled it. All right, you guys, I guess this is the finished look. I'm not going to do any braids or anything that I thought I was gonna do, but I finished curling my hair and I think this is good enough. This is like what I would normally do on like a normal day. I would do like, you know, quick little beach waves like this and just go about my day. Like I really, really love this look. It's so pretty. I don't know what to call her. I want to call her something. I want to call her maybe like Sapphire. This could be like my drunk alter ego, Sapphire. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit subscribe because I do these all the time. This is literally my 4th time dyeing my hair a certain color. So if you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial, just let me know. So yeah, I hope you guys really like this, and if you guys are on the borderline of dyeing your hair, I'd say just do it and it'll wash out. So yeah, I'd say go for it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Why do people do that? I've been playing with this lighting for like at least a half hour now, and I'm just like, ugh. So I'm just gonna run with it. Anyways, just grab this from the kitchen. I probably shouldn't be using a kitchen sink bowl. We're just gonna, oh, that's really dark. Oh my God. So what I'm actually doing, oh, these look like tattoos.